Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on screen refresh rate. Now from here, it is currently on smart switch, which will choose the appropriate screen refresh rate according to your usage. Now from here, you can select 60 Hz and it will lock your screen's refresh rate at 60 Hz, or you can select 120 Hz, which will lock your smartphone's refresh rate at 120 Hz. And this is how you can enable 120 Hz on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.